Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am PixelPia. Today we're gonna continue on Zazzle and we're gonna do something like what we did last week, creating a personalizable product. But we are gonna combine that with an instant download, which Zazzle recently started with. Instant download is available on invitations, greeting cards, holiday cards, and posters and prints. Not on all of them. It can't be foiled cards or all-in-one cards. And we're gonna start by taking a look at an example as a customer. So let's move over to my computer. So here we are on Zazzle. And let's start by searching for instant download. And we are just gonna look at the very first one, which happens to be a bridal invitation. Here you see it's bridal brunch with a lot of text on it. This is created so you can personalize it. This costs to buy one copy, $2.26. And you see the options you have. Printed invitation. You can also shop for the instant download. And then you get a link sent to you where you can download this to use on a phone or on a website. File itself. And if you have done all the personalization before you order it, it will be with the correct name and address and all of that. And as you can see, an instant download of this costs $10.16. And the last option is if you want both of them. So this is how it looks for a customer. So here we are in my store under my products tab, and we're going to choose create a new product. And as I said, we're going to create a greeting card. I have already created the artwork itself, so let's search. I need a square card with the dimension 5.25 inches. And here we have a flat holiday card 525 by 525. So that's what we're gonna pick. And then customize this design. I like when I do invitations especially to use this square format because it stands out a little bit more in the pile of mail people might get. I have already created the card. Let's drag it in a little bit here because it is a little larger than the area itself. There we go. Let's take a quick preview here. You are invited, birthday celebration, and RSVP. I created the image down at the bottom using Midjourney, and the layout of the card itself I created in Canva. And I will talk a little bit about Canva at the end of this video. What I made sure was that in Canva, I used a font that also is available here on Zazzle because we're gonna add some text to this card that will be personalizable for our customers. So the big work is already done. So let's add some text. The first text part is your name. And as you see, using the font Limelight here, both on Canva and in the text I'm adding right here. So I make sure it's centered. We're gonna add a second text box that tells you time, day and time and where. So it's Sunday, May 14th at 3 p.m. And then we're gonna add the address 55 Home Street, FL 12345. That is way too big. So let's change the size here to 14 maybe. Let's see how that looks when we could make it a little larger even. Let's make it 16 and see. And it's centered. And then we need one more text field, and that is RSVP at May 7th to phone 555-555-5555. And let's make that size a little smaller, maybe 12. Let's take a look here now. Okay, if I want to, I could change the color of your name to something that stands out a little bit more. For example, like that. Now I need the 3 text fields I just add. And here in the right column, I need to scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says, make this a template object. And put in the text here, your name. That is what they will see when they, and I let it be text 1. The second text element I need to change, go down, make this a template object, when and where. And then for this third one, make this a template, and I just call that RSVP. I think I'm gonna make this a little smaller, and I'm gonna scroll up and make this right oriented, and there, it's centered. This was hard to read in this. That's a better font for the RSVP, I think. So let's take a last look at our invitation. That looks good. And let's make sure that all of these are set as personalizable. So now we are done. Here we have the card, and we need to go in and hit sell it. Oh, I forgot to put something on the background, so let's go back. If you go down here to layers, this is the front that we just worked with the 3 text fields. Then we have the back, and let's add, they have ready-made background, but I actually have one that we can use here. Let's see how that looks. That filled out the whole page. That looks pretty good. So let's go with that. Click done again. And now we can see how the back side looks right there. Now we go to sell it. Since I went over this in detail in the last video, I sped up the first half of this demonstration. I will have a link for you to that video at the end of this video. And my royalty if they order the print card is 20%. And here, enable this product for instant download. And I can send my royalty for that to 93%. That would give me the price for instant download would be $12.15, and I will earn $8.47, while the price for one card would be $3.06, and I would earn 44 cents. I have the right to publish this. Okay, now we can go to post it. And here, if I want to share it and share my store, but right now we're just going to see my product. As always, it's not ready up on the store yet, but it's ready for me to see. Here you see both the card and the invitation on the digital download. What I should go in and do. Let's go back to my store. I should have mentioned that in my product. So let's go to products and let's go here and edit details and add that. This size only. And I'm just quickly looking through, and then I click done. I have the rights and done. And here we have the personalize. And here you see your name, the address bar, and the date and phone number. So that's how you can combine personalization and instant download. As I said before, I want to talk a little bit about Canva. Canva has just added a lot of functions to their website. And I like to work in Canva. And some of the new things can be useful for creating things for your print on demand, either it's on Redbubble or Zazzle or any other print-on-demand size. And it can be very useful when it comes to promoting your print-on-demand store. So in my next video, I want to take you with me and do a tour of some of the new tools we have in Canva that can be useful specifically if you are creating for print on demand. So if that is something you are curious about, make sure you hit the little subscribe button and make sure you have the bell on for all notifications and that you have set your phone to accept notifications from YouTube. Until next time, bye.